Hey beauties, you're welcome back to today's video. I really want to appreciate my new subscribers. If this is also your first time for visiting, you're super welcome to this page. Welcome to this channel. This place is all about effective product recommendations. I don't know it all, but I try as much as I can to recommend the best products that work. So if you also have a contribution, if you know something we all can use, if you know something we all can use to enhance our body, to make our body more attractive, kindly feel free to comment it, and also feel free to drop it as a comment in this video. And also, if you've used any of our products and if you've tested any of our products to recommend on this channel, kindly feel free to comment and tell us if it works or not. Okay, you're super welcome to this wonderful family. You can also follow me on my Facebook page. We do a big update, we do a big channel, and then feel free to share this video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a DIY for dry skin. So if you have a dry skin and you really need a very fast remedy on how to get rid of this, kindly watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so let's go straight to the video. You're going to be needing for this dry skin is your olive oil. You can use any olive oil of your choice, as long as it's extra virgin and as long as it's pure olive oil. And then the next product you're going to be needing is your honey, natural honey. Okay, this is a natural honey. And then you're going to be needing your aloe vera. Okay, so you all know the benefits of aloe vera. If you don't know the benefits of aloe vera, I can actually Google it, or I can make a video stating the benefits of aloe vera on the skin. But it's very essential and it's very beautiful to use daily as a DIY skincare. Alright, so this is all we're going to be needing in today's video. Okay, so I have to just show you how this is done. So this is my plate. Okay, did I come out of school? I think I came out of my school. This is just a practical, okay, so I'm not gonna pour much. I have to cut the one I can rub. I can use the honey. I'm adding my honey. So you can see now, I'm just going to so nice, yeah, so nice. So you're just going to use it on those areas that are dry on your skin. Wow, this is so soft. Good. If you try this, you'll be happy. Trust me. I'm just wondering why I haven't been doing this for long. Look, it makes my hands so soft. Go and try it at home. Alright, try it, you like it. To soften those areas that is dry and patchy. Though you can see my leg is not dry, so I'm just trying to, my face is not dry, but it's my palms. So I'm just definitely going to be using this more on my palms. But if it's your leg that is dry, you can always be applying it on those areas, okay? So I'm sure you're going to see a lot of massive results. Look at, very soft, very beautiful. Oh God. If I wasn't outside, I'm just gonna rub it all over my body. This is nice, trust me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Please refer your friends to the Vicky channel for effective product recommendations, because I try to recommend the best.